In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Beehiiv email sign-up share link. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, if you're not familiar with Beehiiv, it's a platform that helps you build and manage your email list effectively. Having your email sign-up link easily accessible is crucial for growing your audience and engaging with them through newsletters, updates, and more. So, let's dive right in, shall we? To get started, log into your Beehiiv account. When you're looking for that sign-up link, you'll need to navigate to the dashboard. Once you're in, you should see a main menu on the left side of the screen. This menu contains various options to manage your newsletters, subscribers, and other aspects of your Beehiiv account. Now take a look for the option labeled Audience. Go ahead and click on it. This section is where you'll manage everything related to your subscribers, and it's also where you can find the email sign-up link you're looking for. Within the Audience section, look for the Sign Up Links tab. When you click on this, you'll be taken to a page where all of your sign-up links are listed. This is essentially where the magic happens. Here, you'll see links that correspond to different sign-up forms you've created. If you see multiple links, that's perfectly fine. You might have set up several forms for different audiences or campaigns. If you're just starting out, there might be just one link here. You want to find the link labeled Email Signup or something similar, as that's what people will use to join your email list. Once you've located the Email Signup share link, you can easily copy it. There should be a little button or icon next to the link for this purpose. Clicking it will automatically copy the URL to your clipboard. Make sure you're copying the right one because you want to ensure you're sharing the correct form with potential subscribers. Now, after you've copied the link, it's time to put it to good use. You can share this link anywhere you want to invite people to subscribe to your newsletter. Think social media platforms, your blog, or even directly in messages to interested friends or colleagues. The easier you make it for people to sign up, the more likely they are to do so. If you ever want to customize your sign-up link, you can also do that. In Beehiiv, you have the option to edit your sign-up forms, which means you can add more fields if needed, or even change the layout to make it more appealing. This can significantly improve user engagement, so don't hesitate to get creative. And here's a tip. It's a good idea to frequently check back on your sign-up page. Monitor how many people are signing up through your shared link, and make adjustments as necessary. If you notice that your link isn't performing as well as you'd hoped, it could be a sign to revisit your pitch, or maybe even tweak your email content. So that's it. You now know how to find your Beehiiv email sign-up share link. It's a simple process, but incredibly important for growing your audience. Remember, every link you share is a potential subscriber, so be sure to take advantage of it. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the steps we covered today, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll do my best to respond and help you out. And if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and good luck with building your email list through Beehiiv.